Hi guys, this is Evie with another acrylic pour. Today I'm going to work with fall colors. Fall is fast approaching and I like fall colors. So let's get started. First we'll start with some brown, and there's a little bit of gold in there too. Oh, I shouldn't put so much. Okay. Next, let's put in this, now let's do yellow. Okay, I've got this yellow. This one is cadmium yellow. No, this one is Hansa yellow. So one of them is heavier than the other. Hansa yellow is really light, and cadmium yellow is really heavy in terms of density, I believe, on the golden paints density chart. Okay. Now let's put in some green. Okay, now let's put in some gold. Where's my gold? Here's my gold. The paints are a bit on the heavy side, so we'll put in some gold. Okay. Next, we'll do the oranges. We'll do actually, let's do a yellow. I'll do the heavy. We'll do the light yellow first. The light yellow first or the heavy yellow first? Let's do the heavy yellow first. Do the heavy yellow first. And then let's do the light yellow. And this yellow is also very much transparent. The heavier yellow is, I believe, a little on the opaque side. Okay, so we'll start with a lighter orange. Okay. Then we'll go with a darker orange, just a tiny bit darker. Like reddish, actually. Okay. Then we'll go with a more reddish orange. This is more of a reddish brown. Not much of this in there though. I don't want to put too much in there. Okay. Oh, have I done this bright orange? I don't think I have. Done this really bright orange. Okay. Then I did do a green. Let's do brown and gold. Let's end with brown and gold. Actually, tiny bit of brown. Let's find the gold. Okay. Let's end with yellow, the heavy yellow, which will end up, or the light yellow at the very bottom. I've never used these colors before. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm thinking I need more brown in there. I need more darks in there. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. So let's go ahead and flip. Flippity flop. Let's get this line down. Let's give it a minute. while I get my hands clean. So this is golden paint. Most of it is heavy body paint. With some Floetrol. I put no alcohol in it this time. And then a few drops of this coconut milk serum, OGX coconut milk serum. I can get some really good cells with that. So I started using it. So let's go ahead and do my flippity flip. Let's see. Ready, set, flip. Yeah, I need more brown and gold. Oh, it's got too much yellow in it. Ready, set, flip. Okay. And I can fix that because more brown and gold and ooh, I see a little bit of green trying to peek through. Let's go ahead and do another cut. So we'll put brown. This is more goldish brown. Oh, I should have done darker brown. Okay, brown. A little bit of gold. And we'll do the really dark orange. No more yellow. I've got plenty of yellow there. We'll do this lighter orange. Let's do this other orange. I think I've got green in there. Enough green. And let's mix it up a tiny bit. We'll use this gold stick. Okay. Let's get it poured. Okay, now let's see if I can create some cells over here. Somehow. I do have a lot of paint on this. Okay, now let's do the edges. Okay, so I do have a few spots of green in there. Let's do the edges. Do that corner. Should have used a darker brown. My brown is way too light. Should have done a really, really dark brown. Okay. Okay, let's tilt it just a tiny bit. So we can get the sides. Okay, let's get all the sides done. Paint is really thick. Okay, note to self. Darker brown next time. It can use some darkness. just spin it around so we can do the other side. Ooh, yes. Okay. Okay. Looks good. I see some green. Okay. I see dark orange in a lot of places. I see some brown. Although the brown is not as dark as I'd like it. Next time. Okay. There's a lot of brown over here. What can I put in there? Maybe the really dark orange. Let's see if that creates any cells. I see some cells forming. Let's do it here too. There's a lot of yellow in this. Shouldn't be that much yellow. What is this in the center? I don't know. So let's make it orange. We'll make the mud orange. Okay. That's what we have. Let's go in for a closer look. So I'm getting lots of cells. Okay, this orange is a little too orange, so let's see if we can swipe it a tiny bit. Swipe. Will this be one of those? It was fine 2 minutes ago. Why am I messing with it? Type things. Okay. Now, it would look definitely better if it were darker. If the brown was darker. It does have a little bit of red in there, which is good, but not a lot. Okay. So next time I will put more orange, the darker orange, more darker brown, but let's get a closer look. So we've got some green popping through, but not that much, which is good. I don't want that much green in there. But we've got plenty of cells. Just the colors would be better if there was like a dark brown. Okay, thanks for watching.